So I'm a runner. I used to be more of a runner, and I have done races, and I have done up to about 10 miles running. I am also a hiker, and I just came off of a pretty rigorous hike last Thursday. Because of that rigorous hike, I want to train better, harder, get more physical, be able to endure longer hikes. So my challenge is to run around this mountainous area without stopping. This is my starting point at the end of my driveway. My finishing point will be at the end of the driveway. So let's see how far I can run today. Here we go. Odin's fun! Odin's fun! Odin! Odin! Let's go! Go for a run! Come on! Alright, here we go. Odin is behind me. First big climb. It's a big one. Okay, I could tell I'm still tired from the hike because I didn't make it that far. Whoa. I usually make it to the top past that telephone pole as my first stopping point. But I also have the weight of this camera. Don't mean to be making excuses, but this is added weight. So, it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining. It's relatively cool. Not cool, but not hot. And I shouldn't be suffering this bad, but I am. Straight away, this is easy. We can make it, and then we come to a downhill. It's followed by an uphill. Okay, I am not stopping because I'm tired, I promise you. I am stopping to tell you that when I run this around without a break, on the day when I feel ready, I'll have Marcus follow me in the truck so that I don't have to stop and so that I'm not carrying this camera. For now, it's a training day. So what I do on training days is I set mini goals. What was that? Something in the woods? What's out there? Huh? What's out there? All right. My mini goals consist of driveways and telephone poles. Telephone poles are closer, driveways are further spread apart. If I can make it to the driveways without a break, especially when I'm going up a mountain, that's a goal. So far, I've been doing pretty good training on that mountain road. But let's see how I do when I add it into this entire run. So let's go. Sorry about the movement, friends. Bouncing up and down, but I don't know how to stop it. Okay, I'll show you briefly. I'm slowing down to tell you I'm going down a big mountain hill. And then it gets to a pretty remote area. Down again. And then up a huge mountain road. Okay, here we go. Picking up the pace. Picking up the stride. All right. Okay, just have to slow down for a minute and show you the view. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, it's awesome. Awesome, Odin. You're a mess. big downhill, and then it's all uphill. We get to run by the donkey though, and I'm gonna say hi. I just realized I never run by this area without the dog on the leash, and I forgot his leash. So I'm gonna have to walk just a tad bit past the donkey with his collar in my hand. Oh well, but we're doing most of the run. So thanks for staying with me. Donkey, how are you? How are you, buddy? I can't say hi for long because I forgot Odin's leash. Okay? How are you, buddy? You a good boy? You a good boy? Yeah, well, we'll catch you later. I'll bring you some carrots. Here's my first rest spot. Telling you, these mountain runs are not easy. Just catch my breath and I'll go the next stretch. Okay, can't rest too long. Next stretch coming up. Odin gets a little excited sometimes. Put him in this place, but in a nice way, in an alpha way. That was training day one. Training day one of the challenge.